Salam everyone, welcome back to Learn Azerbaijan today. In today's episode, I will talk about prepositions in Azerbaijani. But before we get started, I want to mention our one-on-one Azerbaijan lessons. If you're interested in personalized language instruction, please check out the first link in the description below to apply and see if our lessons are the right fit for you. Let's get started. First of all, location prepositions. For example, yukarı, yukarı, yukarı. Yukarı is up, up, up. Aşağı, aşağı, aşağı is down, down. Yanında, yanında, yanında. Yanında is next to, next to. Arkasında, arkasında, arkasında is behind, behind. Önde, önde, önde, önde is in front of, in front of. İçinde, içinde, içinde, içinde is inside, inside. Haricinde, haricinde, haricinde or çölünde, çölünde, çölünde is outside, outside. In time prepositions. For example, seher, seher, seher. Seher is in the morning, in the morning. Gece, gece, gece, gece is night, night, night. Bugün, bugün, bugün, bugün is today, today, today. Sabah, sabah, sabah is tomorrow, tomorrow. Dünen, dünen, dünen, dünen is yesterday, yesterday. Saat 3'te. Saat 3'te. Saat 3'te. It means at 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock. Evvel. Evvel. Evvel is before, but sonra. Sonra. Sonra. Sonra is after. After. Instrument prepositions. For example, ile, ile, ile, ile, ile. It means with, with. Vasıtasıyla, vasıtasıyla, vasıtasıyla. Through. Üçün, üçün, üçün. Üçün is for, for. Üzerinden is over, over. And that's it. If you're interested in personalized language instruction, please check out the first link in the description below to apply and see if our lessons are the right fit for you. Don't forget to share, subscribe and like for more useful learning tips. Sağ olun and görüşürüz.